got a recommendation to get one of these RAM mounts made in the USA. A friend of mine's got one, or a couple of friends of mine have them on their bikes, and they love the things. They don't lose their phone. They hold good. It's got little rubber mounts on there, like little ISO mounts. So I picked up this one, kind of get it where you want it positioned, and then if you have to move it, you can go ahead and move it. Just expand it out. That's it. It holds it. Anyway, that's your RAM mount. Kind of springs open there to hold the phone. So you just kind of take it, swing two of them open, and then set it down on there, and that's it. If it films okay going down the road, and my phone don't go skittering down the highway like a little frisbee across the pavement, we'll be good. I don't have to reach up and hold it all the time like I was with the other one, because it kept shaking it loose. Alright, let me go run this video and see how it did. Phone never moved.